how are you all? I Trishanath welcome you in my channel Chitrakaala Nigesh Creation. In this channel you can get every drawing tutorial like sketching tutorials, illustration in iPad and many more. And if some of you knew that I had a previous channel named Practice Drawing with Me, which has been deleted by YouTube because of some fault. And seriously guys, I'm trying to find out what it was. I started this channel for you guys so you can learn more things perfectly and creatively. So do subscribe to my channel, and in this YouTube video I'm going to teach you the basic things that you should know before illustration in iPad. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
So here is my iPad, pencil and glove. And when you are gonna open Procreate in your iPad, you will see a plus sign over here. Click it and you will see so many options for pages. And today I'm gonna choose comic. So here is the comic page looks like. You are seeing the flat surface on this pencil. If you will double tap here, the eraser sign and brush sign will change. And the thing which I like the most about Apple Pencil is that if you will exert more pressure, the more darker will be the shade. Here are some textures, and from this option you can change the size. And down it there is opacity option. You can make your shades invisible from it. Now here is the blend option. So let me take some colors first. Let me take green and yellow. Now from this smudging tool, I'm gonna smudge them. It is little bit hard to smudge without smudging tool in some cases. In Procreate, you have to work in layers. Let me give you some examples for working on layers. Here is layer 1. Let me choose some textures, and I'm gonna choose a leaf option right here. And if you want to take another layer, here is a plus sign. Tap it. Look, the yellow leaves are top on red leaves because layer 1 has yellow leaves and layer 2 has red leaves, which is under yellow leaves. Here you can see 4 options. The arrow option is for changing the shape of your cartoon or anything you are making. There are so many options in Procreate that I can't tell you about them in just one video. I'm gonna make another video for it. So look, here the shape is changing and you can see a green dot here. This is for rotation. First, let me make a square under the red circle. Now I'm using that symbol which is beside arrow. This is for filling the color only in the shape which you want. It means if you want to color just the shape or make some light and dark shades, you can by using this option. Look, the color is not getting out of that circle. Now beside it there are adjustments, and I'm just gonna show you the first one. This is for color adjustment. And here is a text option. And there are many fonts and styles here. Let me choose one. Now I'm gonna write lips over here. And if you will tap on your layers, you can see their options too. But in this video, I'm just gonna show you the mask option and clipping mask. First, mask option. If you want to make invisible something, you can use this option. The darker the color will, the more invisible the thing will look like. For using clipping mask technique, first take a layer on the top of that layer which you want to work on. As you can see here, this is a really good technique so you can make your objects 3D and 2D. You can also change the background color by tapping on background.
So these are the basic things that you should know before start illustration in iPad. So till then, take care. Bye bye.